Welcome to Learner's Guide. Let's start speech on National Constitution Day of India. Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life and its spirit is always the spirit of the age. Happy Constitution Day. Good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate National Constitution Day of India. This day is also called National Law Day or Samvidhan Divas. I am grateful to all of you for allowing me this wonderful opportunity to speak on Indian Constitution Day, which is an extremely important subject. As we all know that Indian Constitution Day is celebrated every year on 26 November to honor the adoption of the Constitution of India. In the year 2015, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi marked November 26th as the Constitution Day in India to celebrate the 125th birthday of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This day is celebrated to spread awareness about the importance of the Indian Constitution. India became an independent nation on 15th August 1947. However, it did not have its own constitution until 26 January 1950. A committee under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was formed that created the Constitution of India on 26 November 1949 and the same was implemented on 26 January 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is popularly known as the father of the Indian Constitution. This day is celebrated to pay a tribute to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. The Constitution is the ultimate law of our nation. It provides the framework and guidelines for the political procedures, principles, and the powers of government. Originally, the Constitution adopted on 26 November 1949 contained a preamble, 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. The Constitution of India gives utmost importance to equality and it signifies that no individual is above the law and justice prevails irrespective of a person's caste, sex, political status, etc. Let us all celebrate the occasion of Indian Constitution Day by taking pride in our Constitution and abiding by it. Wishing you all a very happy Constitution Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.